ठीक है. Sometimes being heighted is disadvantageous to you. So now this is the most colossal, most magnificent, most gigantic temple being constructed in the city of Bhopal, and it looks amazing. It looks stupendously gigantic when you look at it from there over bridge or metro on this highway, which is highway 46 in Bhopal. I guess so, it might be incorrect. And this temple stands in all its glory and magnificence, and it is not yet completed. The construction is going on, and the statues are located temporarily there. And today is the day when the most celebrated, worshipped, revered saint of Digambar Jains have come in the city of Bhopal. कौन सा है? तीसरे नंबर का है. And we have been endowed or entrusted with the responsibility to transfer the belongings of one of the many saints, around 25 monks who are accompanying, who are in the Sangh of Acharya Shri Samay Sagarji Maharaj. So we took the belongings from the temple, Narayan Nagar Jain temple, to this Habibganj TT Nagar Jain temple where he is residing. There is a big pandal, temporarily constructed there along the metro on the another lane, just around 100 meters from here, where pravachan is going on, and all the Maharaji have gone there. For the time being, we have come here after taking his belongings, and these are the kach made for the sant, rishis, made for the guru, and now I'll be taking you to the most amazing feature gallery, or the part of this huge temple. Just look at the intricate, beautifully carved carvings on the pillars, on the walls, and it looks stunning. Now this is Dhyan Kendra, and it is amazing. It is amazing. Look at the echo that is produced here. All the artisans have come from the state of Rajasthan and have constructed this amazing temple, and particularly this Dhyan Kendra. When I am speaking, you can hear the echo that is being produced of my voice. I would just say, oh. Look at the vibrations which are produced here, and the vibrations are just amazing. I would be trying different shots, and I would be trying to just capture it in all its glory. How is it like? And once it is completely constructed, then the vibes here would be different, would be like mysterious, majestical, and extraterrestrial, because we haven't seen this ever before. This is the statue of Acharya Shri Vidyasagar ji, and some quotes are written right on the walls, and this was the motto, Bharat ko India nahi, Bharat bolo. And he was a big nationalist. He taught the nationalistic values, and he passed away a couple of years back, and Acharya Samay Sagar ji now has succeeded him, and he has come to Bhopal to bless this land, this soil of Bhopal, and we find ourselves as very fortunate and blessed. Just have a look at the what do we call it? I don't know. The ceiling they have made. Look at the intricate work on the ceiling they have done. You can understand like how difficult it would be to construct it, and it looks stunning. It is a marble. tells volumes about the mastery that these craftsmen have attained. They all have come from Rajasthan. Rajasthan is the place where the stone is produced in bulk, and they know like how to do the wonders with it, and it is the vision of Acharya Shri Vidyasagar ji. It is the donation, it is the bhakti of the many followers, worshippers that they have, and it is surely the skills, the majestical, magical hands of these people who have come from Rajasthan all the way here. They've been living here for past 7 to 8 years, in the quest of completely building this temple, to complete this temple, and the work is still going on. So this has been a collective efforts by various people that we can have so big, so wonderful a place of spirituality, a place of worship, a place where we can get the peace and solace in our city of Bhopal. With this, Garvit Jain signing off. Jai Hind, Jai Hind, Jai Janendra.